Welcome to doTERRA and congratulations on getting essential oils into your house. I use my essential oils for everything. I use them for beauty, wellness, cleaning, as supplements, as aromatherapy. Now, you've got your oils and you've been using them, and I want to talk to you about two different ways that you can keep getting essential oils into your home. Now, you purchased your oils retail, which is totally fine. You did pay full price, and when you paid for shipping, you didn't get those points back as product points. So if you're going to keep ordering oils, I want to talk to you about our wholesale membership. Our wholesale membership allows you to get 25% off of our products, and you're going to get half of your shipping points back as product points. So as you order things over the year, those points are going to accumulate, and then you can get free oils, which we all love free oils. Now, if you didn't know, doTERRA also has so many other products. We have shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, laundry detergent, and you can get these products into your home and start to reduce the toxic load on you and your family. So it's a great way to use our wholesale membership to your benefit. And if you know you want to get oils into your house, I will suggest a kit for you. We have different enrollment kits. So if you purchase an enrollment kit, the $35 wholesale fee is waived. So you're going to get your enrollment kit, you're going to get those oils into your house, and you're going to have a year of 25% off and 50% of your shipping points back in product points. It's such a win-win situation. Your family's going to be healthy and happy, and you're going to be saving money. Now, if you want to get into the oils a little bit more and you want to learn what kit is best for you, I want you to email me at blissbabelife@gmail.com. Then we're going to set up an appointment. We're going to set up time to have a conversation about what oils you need to get your family healthy and happy. So please email me and set that up. And until then, enjoy your oils and have a wonderful day.